Have you ever wondered how to customize this little icon you see on your Flutter Web browser tab? This little icon is actually called Favicon. By default, Flutter provides its own Fav icon for every Flutter Web project. In this video, I will show you how to change it with your own icon. Firstly, in your Flutter project, navigate to Web folder. In the Web folder, you will see a file called favicon.png. This is the default Flutter icon. So here I have added my own icon file in the same directory. Then, open index.html file, which is the entry of Flutter Web. Look for this line. Then, update the file name to the icon file that you just added. Now we just need to rebuild the web. So as you can see, the little icon in the browser tab now showing my new icon. This is how you customize the little icon. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.